Hi everyone, welcome back to the Vlogging It channel. Today for this video of Vlogging In, I will be showing you how to edit album cover in CapCut. So let's learn how to do this album cover. So this is a popular CapCut template which people use to create these viral TikTok and Instagram reel videos. The template is called Proof That Not Everything Can Be an Album Cover. So if you want to create this trending video, then you want to install both CapCut and TikTok on your device and make sure both of them are updated. When you do that, then open the TikTok on your mobile device, tap on the search icon on the top right, tap that. From there, on the search bar, you need to type in album cover. Tap on search, and a couple of different videos will pop up with this effect. Now select on the top one. As you can see in this video, the one we need with a countdown and the photo or video turned into a album cover. You should see a button that says CapCut try this template. You tap on that. This will direct you to this piece. Here you tap on use template in CapCut, tap that. Again you tap on use template on the bottom right, tap that. Now you will be directed to the CapCut videos piece. Here you will need to select at least 5 video clips that will be used in this template. Now I'm gonna select these 5 videos randomly and then tap on preview on the bottom right and wait for CapCut to create your video, and here it is. You can now export this video and share it on TikTok or any other social media of yours. Now if you tap on export on top right, you will be able to share this on TikTok or different social media platform on your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Vlogging It channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.